about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. Over here, the lovely and the talented. Oh, get out of here. Natasha, OJIBWE Inimushane. Say hello, my sweetheart. Boozhoo kakina awiya. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the show. How you doing? I'm doing great. How are you? Not too bad. And over here, the rock star cartoonist himself, Michael Lyons. OJIBWE NINGIIKAJ. Say hello, buddy. Hey, everyone. Welcome to the show. And today, what's going on today, sweetie? I don't know. What you got planned? Well, it's Tuesday. NIIZHO-GIIHIGAD. NIIZHO-GIIHIGAD. It's the second day, sweetie. For the second day in a row. I can't believe it. What? For the second time this week. No. Are we going to do Dig If You Will a Picture Day? Oh, that's right. It's Dig If You Will a Picture Day. Dig if you will this picture of Prince with a big afro. I like his afro. Prince. The artist formerly known as Prince. Today, Dig If You Will a Picture Day, as many in the BOOZHOO crew already know, is a day where we dig pictures. Because in Ojibwe language, here's a picture. We like to talk about the artist. Mizinabi gay winini. Mizinabi gay winini. A drawing man or an artist. A Mizinabi Igun is a book, I think. Yeah. But a Mizinabi gay winini is an artist. And you can be like a painter or a drawer, musician. You know, lots of different kinds of artists. But Dig If You Will a Picture Day, inspired by the Mizinabi Gay Winini, formerly known as Prince, is a day we look at art. So I think this is great art, sweetie. What do you think? Right here. Sylvester Stallone. Oh, yeah. You mean Rambo? How cool is this? Somebody with a brilliant mind noticed that Andrew Jackson's actually just Sylvester Stallone reincarnated. Or Sylvester Stallone's Andrew Jackson reincarnated. Yeah, that's insane. Dig if you will a picture. I mean, how is that not exactly, the Italian stallion? What is going on here? That's insane. All he did was put a headband and add some hair. And there you go. Dig if you will a picture of the Italian stallion on the $20 bill. That's a $20 bill, right? I think so, Andrew Jackson. They used to call Andrew Jackson Indian Killer Jackson. Really? Yeah. I think Andrew Jackson was known for, I don't know, collecting scalps. I don't really know. Hey, Gwen Carley's here, sweetie. Well, Boozhoo, Gwen. How you doing, Gwen? Let's get a gold star for old Gwen. Gwen Carley gets a gold star for being first in class. And Mr. Black is back. Daniel Lesage Black coming in second. Hey, Boozhoo, Daniel. Silver star for Daniel. And Wally Bear is here. NINGIIKAJ. Good morning. NINGIIKAJ, Niji. Wally Bear gets the bronze star. Bronze star for the Wall Bear. Hey, Boozhoo, Wally Bear. And Sequoia Hummingbird's here too. Good morning. NINGIIKAJ. And what do we got for Sequoia? We got nothing. Nothing? But she came in fourth. Well, we don't we don't have participation trophies. I can put a smiley face. Yeah, why don't you grab a Sharpie and just put a smiley face? Because we don't have any stars. NINGIIKAJ, the BOOZHOO crew is filing in. On this day of digging pictures. Oh, I really dig pictures, sweetie. Do you? Yeah, sure, why not? I like art. What else we got here? Oh, dig if this... What was I... Why was I thinking about Dave Chappelle? Oh, I remember why. Why? Do you want to take a call? A phone call? Yeah. This might jar your memory. Oh, okay. On line 2? Line 2. Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air. I'm NANABOOZHOO. Oh, hello, Juicy Smollett. Sweetie, it's Juicy Smollett. I know. Hi, Juicy. Hi, Natasha. Why are you crying? I'm not crying. Why does everybody say I'm crying? That's a lie. I'm the Black Tupac. Oh, yeah, the Black Tupac. Hey, are you still out of jail? Yeah, I'm not in jail. I don't know. I'm not in jail, but I didn't do anything. Well, you lied about a hate crime. That's kind of serious. No, why would I lie? Why would I lie? I never lied. And, you know, if I did that, what they said, I'd be like, I'd be really sticking it to my brothers in the black community and my brothers and sisters in the gay community. I wouldn't do that. Why would I lie? Well, I think you thought it would get you publicity or something. I don't know why you did it. It was a dumb idea. No. Nobody believes me. Yeah, I know. That was my point with Dave Chappelle. Dave Chappelle had a great line when the whole Juicy Smollett thing came out. And people were like wondering why the black community wasn't supporting Juicy more. And Dave Chappelle was like, oh, we were with our silence. Yeah. You know, it was like we weren't, by not saying anything, we were offering more support than by saying anything because we could tell this guy was clearly lying. I didn't lie. Why would I lie? I don't know. But I got to go. What do you want? I want to learn the Ojibwe word of the day. I want you to my word for Tuesday. Well, I just said it. It's second day. NIIZHO-GIIZHIGAD is second day. NIIZHO, second. And that's our word for Tuesday. NIIZHO-GIIZHIGAD. Okay. I just wanted to know. I didn't do anything. Okay. Take it easy. I gotta go. Gigawabamin, Minowa. What? Oh, I'm sorry. That's Ojibwe for I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa. Gigawabamin, Minowa, NINGIIKAJ. Yep. Okay, Dave Chappelle. Yeah, thank you. So, dig if you will, a picture day. It got me thinking about Dave Chappelle. Oh, that guy's so funny. You know, he said that thing about Juicy Smollett, and it was really funny. Or, I mean, this guy said that. And does nobody remember this Dave Chappelle? Yeah. What happened to the old Dave Chappelle? Back in the days of the grandfathers, not that long ago, in the early 2000s or something, Dave Chappelle quit his show on HBO, went to Africa, he said, and when he came back, he was a different person. Well, maybe he just got in shape. Yeah. Or some other dude is playing the character Dave Chappelle. Hey, he's a good comedian. I'll hand it to him. He's really funny. But I don't know. I think that's a different guy. You think they killed Dave Chappelle and replaced him with somebody? Yep. I think that's an Illuminati clone. They went to the underground lab in Area 51 or wherever, and they tried to make another Dave Chappelle, but they couldn't get it quite right. So they got this guy. And I think he's the same actor who played the Shocker in the Spider-Man movie. Oh, I know who you're talking about. Yeah, there's another actor who looks just like this too. I forget his name. But Dave Chappelle, dig if you will a picture. And this is Ben. Dig if you will a picture day. Dig if you will a picture of Prince Rogers Nelson in a wig. That's not a wig. That's not a Halloween fright wig. I thought he became like Michael Jackson and just wore wigs. No, that's his real hair. Okay. He went back to Brillo pad. Yep. Dig if you will a picture of you and I engaged in Ojindam. Ojindam. Kiss. Yep. Ojindam. Kiss. What's going on in the world of Kiss? Well, I'm hot-blooded. Oh, wait, that's Foreigner. You mistaked. You started singing Foreigner when we were talking about Kiss? How dare you? I forgot. I wanted to sing hot, hot, hotter than hell. You know you're gonna live, you're well done. Hot, hot, hotter than hell. Burn you like the midday sun. Ow! Oh, wait, that's cold. GIZHIDE. It is hot. Oh, it's got to be 61 degrees outside. Well, that's not hot. It's kind of cool, actually. Yeah, you're right. But sometimes it gets hot. GIZHIDE. But if you want to say I am hot, that's a different word. In Ojibwe language, today is Ojibwe. Sorting out the Ojibwe words. If you want to say, oh, I'm hot, you would say NINGIIZHOOZ. Oh, I'm hot. NINGIIZHOOZ. Oh, I'm sweating. I sure hope my Arid Extra Dry is working extra hard today. I think Arid Extra Dry is a girl's perfume. It's strong enough for a man, though. Yeah, it's strong enough for a man, but it's made for a woman. What a stupid ad campaign. Strong enough for a man. Because men smell worse. We all know that, right? Just biologically. A man's perspiration is much worse than a woman's. But it's strong enough to combat that. You don't even have to shower. But it's made for a woman. It smells like flowers. Yeah, that's right. Do you wear Arid Extra Dry? I don't wear anything. Really? No, when I smell, I take a shower. Do you wear deodorant? Only when I stink. When I already smell bad and I don't want to take a shower, I'll slap some deodorant on. Some Speed Stick. I do it just as a courtesy to other people around me. Yeah. But most time I'm like you. Yeah, I just shower often enough that I don't stink. Or I probably stink from other stuff, so I don't even care if it's body odor. NINGIIZHOOZ. I am hot. But if the weather's hot, GIZHIDE. GIZHIDE. Remember, ZH is the sound like ja in treasure. Treasure. And E's sound like A's, like in the end of the word OJIBWE. OJIBWE. And this has been your Ojibwe lesson of the day. No. But This also brings up another important distinction. GISINAA. GISINAA. 2 A's sound like ah in father. GISINAA. It is cold. That's when the weather's cold. Brr. GISINAA. But NINGIIKAJ. NINGIIKAJ. Oh, brr, I am cold. NINGIIKAJ is when your body is cold. You might say, brr, it is cold, like the weather, just pointing out the obvious. People like to do that in Minnesota. Yeah, it'll be 30 below, and the person will say, boy, it's cold. Yeah. Oh, thanks, I didn't notice. When I peed and left a yellow icicle off my wiener. What? I don't know. GISINAA, it is cold. And this has been your Ojibwe lesson of the day. Heavy flow. Oh, is heavy flow here? Yep. BOOZHOO heavy flow. What's going on? What's Wally Bear talking about? Back in the days of the grandfathers, when the Palace Casino was open, some young guy walking around being a bad 55. Badass 55. I think he's saying badass. Yeah. He walked into a deputy. He got arrested because he had a warrant. He had a warrant? You mean a band from the 80s? She's my cherry pie. Wally Bear says Paul Stanley was caught lip syncing recently. Yeah, I know. Paul, were you lip syncing during a concert? Well, sometimes it's hard for me to reach the notes because I'm getting older. Oh, whoa, 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 woohoo! I don't like to get older. I know. Yeah, Paul Stanley's been singing to a vocal track, just lip syncing. You don't have to. We don't even care. We'll listen to you sound bad. No, I gotta sing it for the fans. I'm lip syncing for the fans because they want to rock and roll all night and party every day. I know you do, but come on. Yeah, Paul Stanley. He started crying and yelling at his mother to help him. What? Oh, I thought he was talking about Paul Stanley. He's not? No, he's talking about the guy who got arrested in the casino, in the Palace Casino. Palace Casino is all closed up now. I don't know what happened, but they opened a new one in Cass Lake, and now it's like a homeless shelter or something. Why does everything have to become so depressing in Cass Lake? What do you mean? Well, they built a casino and there's many years of, oh, that's the Palace Casino. Hey, so much fun. There's a hotel, there's the powwow grounds, tribal college. This is that part of town. And then you turn around, you come back a couple of years later. Oh, it's closed up. And now it's an abandoned, sad place. Just another ghost of the past of, I don't know. Cass Lake bums me out. Does it? Yeah. Maybe you wanted to audition for Milli Vanilli. I know. Everybody, when Milli Vanilli got caught lip syncing, they were teased so relentlessly that one of them actually committed suicide. Really? Yeah. I mean, he was so ashamed. Now everybody's doing it. Even Paul Stanley. I mean, what's the point? I can dance around lip syncing to Kiss songs if I want to do that. I don't need to see Paul Stanley doing it. I can watch myself in a mirror doing the same thing. But it's over, sweetie. Rock and roll is dead. Rock and roll is dead. A long, long time ago, I can still remember how that music used to rock and roll all night. And I can't remember if I cried when I read that Paul Stanley was singing to a track. Yeah. I cried a little bit. A little part of me cried when I saw Paul Stanley lip syncing. Is it singing or lip syncing? I think it's lip syncing. Their lips are in sync with the song. Yeah. I don't know, sweetie. What else do we have planned for today? We're going to sing a song. Sunday, Bloody Sunday. Sunday, Bloody Sunday. Hoka, hoka, hey. Sunday, Bloody Sunday. The way a gun. Drum. What? Oh. I don't have anything planned today. I got nothing to comment on. Do you want to talk about current events? Currently, the events in the news. These guys all know what's going on. They don't need to hear it from me. You want to tell a story for the kids? A story for the children. Back in the days of the grandfathers, I could tell a story about Wabooz, the rabbit. You could tell a story about Wabooz, how he got his ears. There's a really stupid story about how Wabooz got his flat nose. Yeah, tell that story. Okay. Back in the days of the grandfathers, Wabooz had a normal nose. I don't know. I'm not sure what to say. There's nothing wrong with his nose. But let's say he had a nose, I don't know. Like who? The wolf? Yeah. Back in the days of the grandfathers, Wabooz had a nose like Juicy Smollett. Alright? Covered in tears. No. He had a nose like... When you have pictures of noses? Oh, he used to have a beautiful nose like Sylvester Stallone. Right? And he was proud of that nose. But then one day, he was out in the woods, looking for wild carrots or whatever, whatever rabbits eat when out in the woods. And pretty soon, he heard some gunshots in the distance there, and he heard a man scream, "Oh, they drew first blood!" And he went running through the woods with a big old knife, and he had a headband. And coincidentally enough, he looked a lot like this. And he was like, "Hey, they drew first blood, and I'm gonna have to kill a bunch of cops now with a knife or something." And just then, he stumbles across Wabooz, and he goes, "Hey!" He just punches him twice in the face. And this is how Wabooz... What? Yeah, this is how Wabooz got his flat nose. That's stupid. Actually, the real story is just as stupid. I didn't want to tell it. But some of the old Ojibwe Arizuques, the old Ojibwe traditional stories, they'll tell a story of something like Wabooz gets his face hit after he pulls a bunch of pranks on Wagosh, I guess, the fox. And so, it kind of explains that's how that particular rabbit got a flat nose. But why would all his descendants and every rabbit everywhere from then on have a flat nose? Yeah, no kidding. I don't know. Anyway, did you want to get up here? Sure, I can get up there. I don't really have much to talk about today. Let's see. We have a song, though. I could talk about this. You want to talk about U2? I do. Back in the days of the grandfathers, There was a band who could do no wrong called U2. When I was a kid, you couldn't go 15 minutes without hearing a U2 song on the radio. Yeah, that's true, huh? The 80s, album rock stations, they played U2 all the time. And then came the era of the Live Aids, the famine for Africa, or not famine for Africa, but whatever. Do they know it's Christmas time at all? That's during the 80s, all the rock stars wanted to be do-gooders. It all started with that bozo Sting. Sting? Yeah, from the Police. Sting. He was going to save the rainforest. And so pretty soon all the other rock stars goes, hey, that's a cool idea. I'm going to save starving children in Africa. Oh, I'm going to save the whatevers. Became very trendy to become political if you're a rock star. And so YouTube. U2. That's weird how their names. Anyway. So then U2 starts spouting off at the mouth about every social injustice and that. And they start making a lot of money and doing benefit concerts. Bono gets all these awards for going to Africa and, writing rock and roll songs. But then it comes out that less than 1% of Bono's money actually goes to charity. 99% of the rest of it just goes right in his pocket. So you can buy Ray-Bans